Today's video regarding HP Deskjet Plus 4132 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. For that, the first thing is to switch on the printer, and once your printer is on, we go and open the front door. So this is the front door here, and there's another door behind it, so you just have to open this. So this is the ink cartridge chamber here. Now go to the ink cartridge chamber. So here we can see the ink cartridges has moved and came to the middle. So to take them out, simply press them down and it will come out. So press both and it will come out. Now to install the new ink cartridge, simply place the black to the black side. Just have to slide it in, hold the printer and push it in. It will lock and the color will go to the color side. Slide it in and push it in. Now your printer ink cartridges are installed. So close this door and you can close this door as well, and now we can use the printer. Thanks for watching.